This video is about a ordinary man who has achieved extraordinary feat. This video is also about a Marwadi business family where Ganga Bhishan Agarwal ji, who was also called as Haldiram, he started his business. Haldiram ji, when he was 12 years young, he used to work with his grandfather's namkeen shop in Bikaner, Rajasthan. At a very early age only, Haldiramji, he started understanding the business. He started selling bhujia in front of his grandfather or Dadaji's namkeen shop. He made few changes in the bhujia so that the bhujia or the namkeen should stand out from the crowd. Haldiramji was smart enough. He was able to understand the need or the requirement of his customers. So he made some changes in his bhujia. What changes he did is, earlier bhujia used to be made with besan or gram flour, but instead of using besan or gram flour, Haldiramji, he started using motki dal or Turkish gram in his bhujia. So that made his bhujia more crispier and more tastier. These few changes in his bhujia made his bhujia stand out from the crowd. He was understanding the market and the need of the market. He also increased the pricing of his bhujia. All the other people used to sell their bhujia for 2 paise per kg, but Haldiramji, he started selling his bhujia for 5 paise per kg. He used all the business tactics, changing his save, the name of the save, name of the bhujia, everything he did. Because of his marketing tactics or business tactics, very soon his bhujia became very popular in the nearby area. People from long distance used to come and buy his bhujias. But in 1937, something happened. Haldiramji, along with his family, they separated from their family business. This is when Haldiramji's friend offered him 100 rupees. With that 100 rupees, he started his own business or he started his own brand that is now called as Haldiram. So Haldiram brand or the Haldiram actual business started in 1937. By 1950, the business grew. Along with his 3 sons, Haldiramji started his store or business in Kolkata also. By 1980, they scaled up their business to Delhi and Nagpur also. As every business has ups and downs, Haldiram business also had many ups and many downs. One of such down is in 1984, their whole business or the shop and the factory and the warehouse, everything was burned down in Delhi. Brick by brick, they again started from scratch and they were able to establish whole business again in Delhi. They started their manufacturing units or manufacturing factories also in Delhi, Nagpur. So that is how Haldiram business grew or evolved. And the best part of this success is the 5 rupees Haldiram packets are used as a substitute for loose change. When we go to railway station or the busiest of shops, when the shopkeeper doesn't have 5 rupees in change or substitute loose change, then they offer us Haldiram 5 rupees packet. So what is more great about a brand when a brand product is used as a substitute or is used as a currency? That is definitely one of a success part for Haldiram brand. Today, Haldiram brand or Haldiram business is creating or making thousands of crores of annual revenues, and they have a huge distribution network. Their main revenue generation comes from the distribution network that they have today. They have around 2.5 million outlets in India, and this number is growing only. When it comes to international market, their products are available in 80 countries, and again this number is also increasing. Haldiram company also has been awarded as the largest snack company in India. One of their marketing activities I will share with you. There was a movie called Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, Salman Khan and Sonam Kapoor. So Haldiram brand, they tied up with this company, this movie production company, and as a return, they printed 1.5 million boxes with Prem Ratan Dhan Payo movie logo. That is how the movie was promoted on Haldiram boxes, and also Haldiram brand was shown in the movie. In that way, Haldiram got much more visibility. So now you understand how Haldiram empire was started with few changes in the product. How Haldiram ji made some changes in the product and that clicked, and that is how the whole foundation of this business was originated. So that is all about this video. If you feel this video was able to inspire you, please click the like button. That will definitely support me, that will definitely help me. So that is all about this video, and thank you for watching my video this long. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. Thank you. Namaste.